and welcome back to another Refresh Cartridges video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to print a quality report on your HP Officejet 6950 printer. To access this feature on your printer, you'll want to use the touch screen, and you'll want to slide this page along to Setup, Tools, and Print Quality Report. So this is the kind of sheet you'll get from this printer. As you can see, we have a great big streaking pattern down the left hand side. We can correct this with a roller clean, but looking at the actual prints, test pattern 1, if the lines are not straight and connected, align the print head. As you can see, all of these lines are straight and connected. Test pattern 2, if you see thin white lines across any of the coloured blocks, clean the print heads. I can see a little bit of streaking in a couple of these colours, so I will show you how to do a print head clean in another video. Test pattern 3, if you see dark lines or white gaps where the arrows are pointing, align print head. Okay, so it looks like we have dark lines through each of these green strips, so we will align the print head, and I'll be showing you how to do this in another one of our videos. That is how you do a print quality report on a HP Officejet 6950 printer. I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.